guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma 6S. This is the newest one, the V6. With the clipless body. I need a new body though. I damaged the body, but I'm out here running today because I haven't ran it in a minute. And I wanted to do some jumps and flips and bash around. So let's get into it. Yeah, I got it on 50%, that's why it's doing that. Now let me throw that thing up to 75 at least. Yeah, I put it on 100. Perfect. Try not to get too high yet. Start off a little slow, especially this time. This is the best stunt truck out there. Perfect. So far, the best stunt truck there is. Perfect.
Triple combo.
This thing is a beast. Let's see, can I make this jump without fixing the ramp? Always lands on their feet. I'm not sure if I caught all of that. Caught most of it. Let's try to do a backflip. Come on now, we can get some backflips.
Oh, not good.
I knew not to try that.
He needs some milk.
Yeah, it knocked the battery loose, but the battery is snug. With this new battery strap, this thing is sturdy, so it's not gonna pull loose or nothing, man. I could tighten it a little tighter so it won't do nothing. But yeah, it's cool. this thing is a little ripper though. Handling on this is another level, man. I don't think I did a review on this yet, but y'all know my review. The thing is stable, man, great handling, nice power delivery. I guess this would be my review. The body, clipless body is on point. You see it don't launch off no matter how hard you hit it. Jumps nice. Sometimes it's overpowering. I didn't even mess with the diffs at all. This is one car I did not have to touch. The only thing I have to do, really, honestly, is the wheelie bar mount and the wing mount. I'm gonna put a Garage Life wheelie bar on here and wing mount. Wheelie bar / wing mount. I think it can use that because I broke the wing mount so far. I think I broke an arm, I'm not too sure. Knowing me, I had to break the arm. So you figure RPM arms. Some upgraded hubs. I wish they'd have put the EXB RTR Crichton diff housings on this, but then it would have made it so high. Yeah, I know I'm being all petty with the junk. Don't see no flaw with this. The body look good. All the body designs look good. The clipless body is good. The durability of the body is, but what can you do? They bash it. If we could keep the bodies pretty while we run them, man. Now I'm up on it. I want to see, can I finally get this? Nope. Never tried that way. See what I'm saying? This thing is a pure beast. Yeah, she getting night out here.
Perfect.
Thing about the Notorious, you really gotta have good throttle control with this. It's like, this is not a beginner's car. Uh-oh, what was that squeaky noise? Not a beginner's rig. You gotta know what you're doing with this thing. No ifs and buts about it. Definitely broke the shock. Oh God. Hopefully it's just a shock in and not an arm or nothing. Yeah, it broke the shock in. Yeah, that's that bad landing, man. That bad driving. Like I said, can't be a beginner with this. I'm a beginner. Whoa. Oh yeah, let me stop before I lose my dog bone. Then I'll really be crying. Well, it's too late for that one. Oh, let me see if I can find it. Should have paid attention. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna look for that. But in the comments below, let me know your thoughts. My review on this thing get an all around 10, man. All around 10. Got a few things here and there need to be upgraded, but that's up to us to do that. Because if you leave it up to the factories to do it out the box, this thing gonna be too high. At least you can upgrade it little by little until you get it the way you want. But so far, I love this truck. I'm gonna do a running video with my Crichton RTR EXB and this one to try to determine which one of these is my favorite. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Perfect.